Mukhang dire-diretso, pinagpag lang si Manya. Guerra, three-pointer, yes sir! Lista mo na yan! Para kay Mon Guerra.
Umatras pa talaga, no?
Oo.
Para mapunta siya dun sa 3-point
Make
range.
it. But Guerra with the offensive board gets the basket pa. Kala ko may kasama pang foul eh.
Ayaw ng one extra point. 2 extra points ang binigay sa kanya.
Upo muna si Al Ramos, the starting point guard for OSG, seeing more action again in the second quarter. And in attendance, syempre, yung muna nagbibigay suporta sa DOJ Saviors. In the lead now by...
Nakakatapa ka ng linya.
Doon sila nagpo-push off eh. Kaya napapa-outside nga. Good ball movement here by the Saviors. Playing hot potato and gets that three was Mon Guerra. Tacking on more points to this lead.
Spot-up shooting para kay Mon Guerra.
Isa sa mga malaking guard no nitong DOJ Saviors team. Just spotting up and shooting that basketball from Rainbow Country.
Naiwan yan eh.
Guerra gives it to Alastoy. Kicks it out Mendoza. Back to Guerra, the hot hand of DOJ. Gets another three-pointer for Mon Guerra.
Just hitting the open man. Itong si Mendoza, reading the situation very well. Nobody manning itong si hot shooting Guerra.
Mukhang kabisado na ni Mon itong ring ng kanan, no? Tignan natin kung tuloy-tuloy. Manalo. Mendoza. Fast break here with Guerra. Kicks it out. Will he take the three-pointer? Yes, he will! Lista mo na yan! Para kay Mon.
Hesitated for a while but finally decided on releasing the three-pointer. At yun nga, pumasok.
Nakakuha na naman ng tres itong DOJ Saviors, putting an end to the second.
Pagka natuwa si Direk Billy, magpapamerienda pa yan.
Yun, no? Mon Guerra again adding to his stellar point total as he sets the ring on fire with another three.
Mainit talaga si Mon Guerra.
Mainit. Ang laki ng ring para sa kanya. O, pupukol kaya siya ng tres dito. Quick crossover. Good defense by Avila. Guerra, all day to shoot. Yes, sir! Hindi man lang tumama ng ring.
Still with his good outside sniping itong si Mon Guerra.
Pamatay sunog talaga to eh. After OSG, almost scored on the other end. Si Mon Guerra, baka sinabi, baka nakakalimutan nyo na ako.
Binigay kay Duenas, mas libre, mas sigurado, and a steal by Mon Guerra.
Nakakuha pa ng foul doon. Mon Guerra gets the end one. Hindi pa rin nagpapatinag itong DOJ Saviors, coach.
Kompleto, may opensa, may depensa. Tingnan natin itong agaw. And the completion by Mon Guerra.
That was your Lakas Lead of the Quarter, brought to you by Cabling and Act.